Hello everyone, this is Christine from Shengqi Packaging and Zihu Robot. We are professional manufacturer of automatic equipment. Today, let's show you with our case of robotic packing and palletizing system. This case is for animal vaccines bottles. Anyway, the grippers can be customized according to different products, no matter bottles, cans, boxes, or other special products. There are different models of robots can be chosen. If you are looking for non-standard packaging solutions, please contact us freely. Welcome friends from all over the world come to visit our factory in Shanghai.